So today we're in Las Palmas and we're going to have a look around. Las Palmas is in Gran Canaria. So what happens is people come off the big boats like that big liner there, and they go on they go on a bus with open top buses and they cruise around the city. We normally have about 6 hours here. So there's the people queuing up for the bus. About €21. And it's hop on, hop off. And so this will be part of the city centre. There they are getting their leaflets. Should we go there, Mary? Should we not? Probably Johan, because there's lots of Germans here. Lots. Don't say it too loud. There's the sound, look. And also you can hire a scooter, there's some scooters. The first half an hour is free, as long as you take it back to one of the drop-off points. There's a fairground and for the Christmas market. Those plants there are all poinsettias. Also I'm using a headset so I don't have the audio sounds. Let's stop for a second. So you've got the Hyperdino, that's where the people on the boats go when they get off, because they use the McDonald's free Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi on board is usually €18 an hour. There's the boat, and so there's the precinct. And so today is the 30th of January, and this is a Christmas market, but it seems to be closed. Because tomorrow is New Year's Eve. Lots of people have the photographs here. It says Las Palmas, Gran Canaria. So these like the stalls, like wooden chalets, aren't they? Laid out the red carpet for me. And there's a big wheel. With the fairground there. I'll say most of the things are closed at the moment. Maybe they'll open later. Certainly be open tomorrow. That's a stage there. Probably open later, it's a bit early, it's about 11 in the morning now. I'm interested to find out what the audio is, you know. Got the Germans. Probably English, could be English or German too. So this is the fairground, part of it.
Verspätung wieder Bus im Haus.
So we'll leave it there and we'll say thanks for watching. Maybe put a comment on the sound, maybe on the photography, and also, I know it's not time, but it'll soon be the new year, so have a fucking good one, eh? Have a good Christmas. Have a good new year. Excuse my parlez-vous français French.